I wanted a pressure washer, so I bought this one. The contents inside: gun, the pressure washer itself, casters for the bottom, tips and other components, 20-foot hose, proflow PM2000. I also tacked on a bag of detailing supplies.
Yeah, she started swinging at me. And look, okay, this is gonna sound crazy, but
Now let's see how this thing performs.
He poked me in the neck with like a needle or some shit.
Filter connection for the unit. Quick connection wand. Quick connection for foam cannon. This thing works. It's not too noisy. Now for foam. This is my first time actually. Let it sit for a bit. Just with the foam and a rinse. Washing with a mitt. Drying. Spray wax. Doesn't take but a couple of minutes to set up. Much less of a hassle than getting out my gas powered unit and cranking that bad boy up. But this little one isn't much for trying to wash the concrete or the brick house. Damn, that's clean.